Stop! Look at this! We have a major problem. The alarm is about to ring and we don't even have a firehouse yet. We are behind schedule and we cannot have a mess when a rescue is on the line. Today, we aren't just playing, we are building a masterpiece. Every brick has to be perfect. Every door has to be straight. We have 6 minutes to get this station ready for our first mission. I need you to focus. I need you to move fast. If you're ready to be a hero and help me build the ultimate 3D firehouse, then let's get to work. No excuses. Move, move, move! Let's see those blocks fly. Let's go!
The alarm is going to ring in 10 minutes and we don't even have a firehouse yet. Move, move, move! The foundation Lego bricks are arriving now. Look out below! It's like a giant puzzle. Snap them together, Sparky! Focus, team! The Lego bricks are beautiful, but we need walls. Lego red bricks, now! Watch your heads! The windows are coming in hot! Shiny and clean! I can see my reflection. Not fast enough! We need the big garage doors! Give me the heavy metal! Easy does it and lock! Lights! We need to see at night. Brilliant! Now the fire pole. It's not a firehouse without the pole. It's so slippery. Who wants to go first? Way! I'm faster than a rocket! Smooth slide, Lily. But look at the floor. It's empty. Where's the truck? Coming together like a dream. It's beautiful. Engine check. Give me some power. Wait, the truck needs its silver stripes. It's too plain. Now it looks like a hero truck. We have the building and the truck. But what about the gear room? Everything in its place. A messy station is a slow station. Get it organized. Straight lines, Finn. Just like you taught us.
Even Sparky has a spot to rest. Good boy, Sparky.
Roof is incoming! Take cover, everyone! We have a roof! We are finally dry! 1 minute left. We need the sign. The Firefighter Finn sign. It's so big! Everyone will know where to find us. We did it, Finn! It's the best firehouse in the whole world! Just in time! That's our first call! A cat is stuck in the needy tree! Let's go, let's go! First rescue in our new house! This is what happens when you build it right! Let's go save that kitty!
There she is, top branch!
Juliet, look at the state of that tree. It's a total mess of blocks. We need a plan. The kitten is wedged between the branches, Finn. If we move the wrong block, the whole tree might tumble. It's like Jenga, but for real. Can we just take it?
Exactly or build our way to that cat. Precise, fast, let's go!
Juliet, take the Lego hydraulic spreader. We need to remove these base blocks without shaking the top. Do it now! The tree is still standing. Got it. Stacking it over here for later. Don't just stand there watching. The kitten is moving. Juliet, clear that secondary branch. It's blocking my path. Move! Path is clear, Finn. Climb, climb, climb. I've almost got you. Stay still. You're a hero, remember? No! Lily, the safety net, now! Drop her in. Keep it tight. Don't let it sag. Safe! It's a 10 out of 10 landing. Yay!
Well done, but look at this mess. A pile of blocks in the middle of the park. Not on my watch. Rebuild the tree. Correct it. Go!
Snap and click. It's even stronger than before. All finished, and no more kitten traps.
That's what I'm talking about. Clean rescue, clean park. Back to the station for debriefing.
What should we name her, Lily? She's a 3D miracle. Brick! Name her Brick.
Brick it is. Welcome to the team, Brick. Station check. Is the gear room still organized? Lily, Juliet, don't let the standard slip.
Still shiny, Finn. We're heroes of organization, too. Toe to toe, perfectly straight. No boots left behind.
The rescue was good. The build was better. But these cookies, they're raw. We forgot to build the oven.
Oops! Get the blocks, Juliet, fast.
Finally, a kitchen fit for heroes. Now bake! This is the life. Built from scratch, saved a cat, and snacks for everyone. Perfection.
Did you see how we used the blocks to save the day? You can do it too. Build it up, snap it in, just like Firefighter Finn.
This station is our home now, and it's the best built home in the city. Want to see every block we used? My new book has all the details. It's sturdy, just like our walls.
It's so bright and colorful. I love the pictures. Sparky wants to know if you're ready to build.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Build safe, stay safe. See you at the next build, heroes. Mission accomplished.